Hello friends, today we will see floating paper clip. The materials required for this experiment are two glasses filled with water, a piece of tissue paper, pencil and paper clips. Friends, do you know that a paper clip can sink and also float? Let us understand this through an experiment. So let's begin. Now take a glass of water. Put a paper clip inside the glass. You can see that the paper clip sinks because of the greater density than the water. Now take another glass filled with water. Take a piece of tissue paper and place it inside the glass. Now take another paper clip and place it over the tissue paper. Friends, be careful that your hand should not touch either the tissue paper or the water. Now gently poke the tissue paper in such a way that the tissue paper sinks and the paper clip floats. In the second glass, the paper clip is floating. Do you know why this happens? Yes, the paper clip is not truly floating. It is being held by the surface tension. Surface tension helps to bind the water molecules tightly together, so the paper clip does not sink. Don't forget to give your likes and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.